So rabbits are notoriously good for hiding their illnesses. They do this so that they don't look weak in the wild to other rabbits or to predators, other rabbits who might be more dominant than they are. So they'll deliberately try and hide anything that's wrong with them. So in terms of the respiratory illness, the signs that I looked out for and that I spotted was that his core area here was going up and down very, very quickly, a lot more than usual. His nose was twitching a lot more than usual as well, but it was basically this area up and down way faster than it usually does. So we went to the out of hours and they said he's labouring to breathe. He's panting basically with breathlessness. They thought it was just because he was hot, because it was a hot summer's day, so we got sent home. The next day we went back, he was still poorly, and they said he'd gone into GI stasis, so we were given medication for that. Again, signs to look out for GI stasis: if they are not eating, if there are harder, smaller poops in their tray or less poops than usual, which were all things that we noticed with Pom Pom that day. So GI stasis is basically that their tummy just doesn't work as well as it should do, and it can lead to problems if not treated. So he got treatment for that on Sunday, and then we were back again at the vet's yesterday when he was struggling to breathe again. I think the shot they gave him at the vet's on Sunday helped a little bit, and then he was labouring with his breathing again. So it was back to the vets, and then he was given antibiotics for his respiratory infection. So that's just the things that I looked out for with him to know that he's poorly. As I say, it is difficult because they do tend to hide their illnesses, but there are telltale signs that you can always look out for. So I'm not a vet, I'm not professionally trained. So if you're concerned about your rabbit's welfare at all, I would consider contacting a vet and talking it through with them first and seeing whether your rabbit needs to be seen or not. So yeah, he's off his food, he's having liquid feed. He absolutely hates having his medication. Might show you that in another video. He hates having his medication, don't you, baby boo? But yeah, he's just lethargy is another sign that they're not well. So typically Pom Pom in the morning would be zooming around the house, running around, doing his stuff, throwing his toys around, and there was none of that for a couple of days. So that was another telltale sign that he's poorly as well, lethargy. So just if they're not acting like they usually do, or tired at all. All right, there, you enjoying your massage? Right, I'm going to go now because he wants both hands on the massage. I'll speak to you later. Bye.